This is a final video to fix Google Earth not launching on Windows 11. Are you tired of opening Google Earth only to see it stuck or crash instantly? This usually happens because some background files or settings get corrupted, or Windows blocks the app from running properly. Many guides on YouTube and social media show long, confusing steps that are hard to follow, and most of them don't even work. But today on Rexist, I will show you a simple trick that fixes this issue in just a few clicks. You don't need to install anything complicated or change hidden system files. This trick works fast and gets Google Earth running again without hassle. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Stay tuned with Rexist, and let's get your Google Earth back in action today.